Do you ever wonder where your morning cup of coffee comes from? Well, this is part of what forms a supply chain. So, in the case of coffee, it starts with farmers and they'll grow and harvest the beans. Then there are processors who will dry and mill them. And in between times, you have buyers who will collect from the farmers and deliver them to the processing plants. Then they're moved on further to a place where they're roasted. Finally, they're packaged and shipped. And that shipping process will involve exporters, dealers, and brokers. They're then processed again, where they're ground up, and perhaps a further process of something like freeze drying, which is how most of us will probably experience the coffee that we drink at home. Once they've been freeze dried, they still need to be packaged. And of course, that also then involves things like glass jars, which have a manufacturing process that goes from raw materials to the final product, and paper labels, which are stuck on at a later date. And after that, they still need to be transported to the final retailers where we will go to buy them. That whole process is the supply chain. And the various bits in it that add value then become known as the value chain. And really, the value for us is the fact that raw material, which is grown thousands of miles away, is produced in a processed form that we can consume and available to us just a very short distance away. And these are the things that we're going to talk about today.